Hello friends, today we are here to discuss the creation of Padlet as a tool for our upcoming project Moon Over Us. So as you can see in front of the screen, first of all, to utilize the Padlet, we need to create an account over this website of padlet.com. There is an option sign up for free if you don't have any account. After you have done a perfect sign up, an account is created over this website of Padlet, and you do receive an email onto your account receiving a welcome note from Padlet. Then what you have to do is you just have to log in to your Padlet. You can see over your screen that now at this moment this Padlet account is active for me, and this is my account window, which is known as a dashboard. Here we are there to discuss what are the necessary features of the Padlet, which will be explored during the course of our project Moon Over Us. And of course, we will begin with how to make a Padlet. So as you can see over this animated screen, this is the place where you have to click for making a Padlet at the top left corner. Over this make a Padlet. Now once we select make a Padlet, we are redirected to a layout screen, that which sort of layout we require, and we can choose of course which layout we are going to be comfortable with while utilizing the Padlet. So here what I am going to do is, if you are a little confused that which layout to choose, there is an option that is very easily available. You just have to click over it. This preview option is there, and it will enlarge the view for it with a few samples, and whichever layout you are comfortable with, you can select it. For example, I just would like to do a preview of this wall, and now here it comes, this wall is there. So in this manner, all these sort of posts will appear over your Padlet once you select this wall layout. So I'm closing it, and I am pretty satisfied. If you are not satisfied, say you want to see for the canvas, you can go for the preview of the canvas as a file as well. This also is a very unique way to organize your posts. So now what I am going to do is, let me select wall for a time being. So now the select option is there, and here it comes, the Padlet has started. As you can see, towards the left, the name and all the details of the Padlet has come, and towards the right, under this modification pane, that is the modify window, a few details have appeared. Here we can customize our Padlet. For example, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make this Padlet for Moon Over Us. So I'm going to give a title as Moon Over Us 2021. Now in this description, I'll just put the name of my club or institution which I belong to. Say, let me put Ignited Minds WIPNet Club. And yeah, so here I am going to put, so in this description I have put, and I am just writing a little more, exclusively for students and teachers. So anything can be done. Now if we roll down, there are a few customizations that really can be applied to this Moon Over Us or any Padlet to make it look beautiful. So here it comes, the icon option. It can be explored. Here right now there is no icon. If you want, you can put any icon over it. Say, let me just browse down a bit, and these are different emojis which are appearing in front of me. And so it's moon. So now let me put a full moon, in fact, or a crescent. So let me begin with crescent. So what I have done is, as I have selected an icon, towards this left you can see an icon that has appeared. Now if still I am not going for the icon, let me just go to this icon, and I can add even my own icon as well. So clicking on it, let me upload something which is present on my system. So I'm going to pick up a file. So let me go to the place where different sort of files are there. So here I am going to put up this icon. Open up. So something upload is happening up, and you can see towards your left where this moon icon was there, something new has been posted. Now after this modification, we will come down. This is the place. where this is the link of the Padlet which is being shown in front of us, and this is the link which will allow others to access our Padlet as well. If you are not comfortable with these alphanumeric categorizations, you can make this extension very simple as well, provided the name is readily available. So I am just putting it Moon Over Us 2021. Now this sounds a little easy for you to remember. Now coming back, you can even customize the appearance of your wall as well. So this wallpaper, in fact. So I am just going to see solid colors are available, gradients, pictures are also there. So now let me see if I click on Jetpack. So Jetpack is also there. Or if I want to add my own wallpaper, so let me upload, and I am going to pick up a file. Now let me pick up this file which is in front of me, and it is uploading. See how nice the background has really become for me in this Padlet. I can even take a photograph, even draw something. I can make this wall as a tiled wall or as entire filling. So all I can even make this background a little blurry. So all these sorts of customizations, they really are open for us. Then we can come down. We really can choose the color scheme on which our posts are going to appear. It can be black or white. So by default, it's black, it's white. So I am keeping it as it is. Then there are different sorts of ways in which the fonts can appear. So let it remain as it is, and we can do the customizations later on. We can return at any point of time. Coming down, exploring the features a little bit about the posts. So attribution is a very important feature that really will help you to make your Padlet interactive, and you will get to know who actually has posted upon your Padlet. So I am just going to make this attributions on. Now this is up to me, in the order in which I want to see the posts, whether the new posts appear first or last, that is up to me. So now I just would like to see them in the chronological order. So I'm making it new post appear last. Comments, yes, of course. As a teacher, as an educator, and even as a student, you would really like to see what all are the reactions of the people who are looking up to your Padlet for the post of Moon Over Us. So this is a really welcome option for the others, and it will develop, or it will help develop your Padlet into a real interactive forum. Then equally important is this reaction part. That is, how are the people reacting to this Padlet post that you have made? So it's better you can put it a like reaction. If you want to make some sort of a poll, upvote or downvote, you can, that can also be done. Then to encourage the students regarding their posts and quality, you can put up a star rating as well. A grading can also really be possible, but let me choose like option for a reaction. Now coming down, you can also monitor the content that appears over your Padlet which you have created, because there may be a lot of people who may be contributing, and a few times you would like to moderate actually that what appears over your wall. So you can, yes, very well keep the moderation on. If you like, you can really make this approval or moderation off for also a time being, but that depends upon you. Now filter profanity, that this also is a very good option. If a few words which do appear which are not approved in the civil society, keeping this option on will replace all those words with a few nice emojis. Now after all these settings are being done, you can just click on next, and as you can see, you are all set for starting to post. Now let me start to post. At the bottom right corner, this is a plus option that is available. And mind you, I will just give you an important information here. Depending upon the layout that you have chosen, the wall, canvas, sometimes this way to add the post may differ. And in fact, if at any moment of time while working upon your Padlet, if you don't feel satisfied with the layout that you have chosen, you can change it. For that, what you have to do is you have to click on these three buttons of more. You just come down, click on change format. It shall show you the other alternative formats which are available in front of you. They really can be chosen by you depending upon your requirements and level of satisfaction, and you can proceed as you were proceeding with the previous layout under the new settings. So here in this layout, which I have chosen, it's add post here. So I am just going to click over it. And what I am going to do is, you can explore really directly go for an upload. You can even take a photograph. If a camera is attached to your system, you can post a link directly. In fact, you can go for an image search online as well. And you can just click on to this more and you can upload whatever you want. So now let me just upload a picture which is there. So these are the different phases of the moon which are there. So I am just going to upload them. And now on the subject, going to type phases of the moon. I can add a caption also. And if I want to add a little bit of a description, I can even perhaps change the color of my post also. If I want to look at green, whatever it is, and I'm just going to publish it. So here you can see all these. Now people who are visiting this, they can like the post also. They can add comments also to the post. Say example, I have added wow. Attribution has enabled to you to see that who has posted over this Padlet. Now, the time has also come for you to explore the share option as well. You can just click on the share, and if you want a shared collaboration with somebody else, you can add that particular member or invite that member to your Padlet. And here we can also change the privacy as well. Now in this privacy, you can just see the visibility of your Padlet, and then the visitor permissions, it should be can write, because people should be able to make the posts over your Padlet. Then only the real purpose of this entire exercise will stand satisfied. And I'm saving this Padlet. You can copy this Padlet link to the clipboard, whichever the link which you had made, and this is the link which people will share to it. These are a few basic features of the Padlet, and best wishes for the upcoming Moon Over Us project. Thank you. Thanks a lot.